we go, on the back. Already made to 6. This is an incredible race because I got on the second lap 177 from out of the tunnel exit speed. Now already, I think on the 4th, Tuvok is first. There I go. First lap. Nice. Now this is Tuvok and Drama Herd. Okay, I'm watching them. Doing everything as usual. Looks good. Watching them. Okay, slowing where the green one was. Slowing down to 105 to maintaining above 90. And getting my prize, second place. So far, I'm thinking I'll never get closer, but here we go. Keeping it wide. Doing the same lap. Ramble on the right. Wide. And now to the left, to the ramble. And I get him there. Yes. Watch this. I have to watch this. Grace North, no break. Oh my god. Coming up 177. I thought I'll faint. I'm almost fainting at this point. Hands shaking. Like, do it by the book, do it by the book. Here I go. At the green. Taking wider. 105, 95 was the lowest. On 92. Now do it, do it, do it, do it. Go, go, go. Yes. Just a little touch before the apex. That's all. And then here, graze, wide, break a little. There you go. Maintain, maintain, maintain. Break a little here because otherwise you fall out. Okay, everything fine. Now let's do it again. And I did it, but I touched the brake just in case. And the speed was a high, almost 170 or so. Okay, here we go. And I was like, oh, I know I got one away. I got one away. Could be my personal best. No, this is insane. Now, do it, do it, do it. Yay! I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna win. Almost there. Almost up. Alright, here we go. I think 95 was the lowest, and here I go. Here I go. Yahoo! Race complete. Da-da-da-da-da!